Hi, it's Peter Kearney in my food garden. It's only one day to Christmas 2020, so I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a great New Year. I wanted to fit in one last tip before we break for Christmas because I've got an activity here where I've been clearing these beds here, and they'll be progressively cleared of the plants that are finishing off, and we're putting in a green manure. So you can see these two beds here which have clear soil. I've just mineralised these beds and put some cowpea green manure in here, and I always put that in over our wet season from end of December, and it finishes off at the end of March. So the tip that I wanted to share with you is in maintaining some production whilst that process is happening. So just here we have some cucumbers that are on a climbing frame, and they're finishing off, but there's still some fruiting happening here, and these plants should finish off in about a month. So I've got seeds underneath them, so the area will be fully grown up with green manure, but it's not going to affect this crop. Similarly with these ones over here, these are bok choy peaches that don't mind the heat in our summer, and they've kicked on a lot in the rain we've recently had. So I've planted my green manure seeds around them. So those plants will be finished off probably in about a month as well. And then what we have in here, because all of these beds will, apart from this one with the shade cloth, all the remaining beds will be, other than these two, will be progressively cleared of crops, and we'll be planting green manure. But this one here has snake beans, basil, lettuce, Asian greens, cucumbers, zucchinis, kale, lots of things growing beautifully, and they'll grow all the way through summer. So yeah, just trying to get your tactics about planting over our wet season. So that's all from me. So thanks for following me over this year, and I look forward to connecting with you in 2021.